Hi guys, when you're doing your edits in DaVinci Resolve, there may be times when you want to know if and when various clips from your media bin are being used on a timeline. So in this video, let me give you a few tips which could be useful when you're doing your edits. Alright, so let's say for example you've got a whole load of clips in your media bin and you want to know if and where they're being used on a timeline. Well, first of all, you have this little red line underneath the clip that gives an indication that this clip is used somewhere on the timeline. But where exactly is this clip being used? Well, actually, you may not know that if you actually right-click on one of the clips in your media bin and then go down to where it says usage, you can see here that this clip is used multiple times in this particular timeline. And what I can then do is I can click on each of these, and DaVinci then shows me the actual clip where this one's being used. And I can right click again, go back to usage, and I go to the second time and jump to the second instance of where it's being used. And that's the same for all the other clips as well. So I can right click on this one, go to usage, it's being used once, and then I can click on that and see exactly where this clip is being used. Very handy indeed. Now what happens if you want to do something in reverse and let's say for example you have a clip here and you want to know where exactly it is in your media bin? Well, you can right click on this and then click where it says find in media pool, and that then highlights and takes you to that clip in your media pool. And this is particularly useful when you have multiple bins on your project. I only have one here, so it's relatively easy to find the clips. We have like several hundred clips, for example. This can come very handy indeed. Let me show you another tip. Let's say, for example, you've got a whole load of clips in your media bin and you want to sort out and see very quickly which clips are not currently being used on your timeline. And then you can concentrate on bringing those ones in, as opposed to scrolling up and down the media bin and trying to find which one does and which one doesn't have a red line. Well, you can use the smart bin to do that. Let me show you how. If you go to File and then go to New Smart Bin, and let's say we call this one Used, we go to where it's got Media Pool Properties, and this is already selected, but click where it says File Name, scroll all the way down to where it says Usage, then change where it says Is to Greater Than, and set it to 0. Hit Create. You've now got a bin showing all the clips with showing the red line, and then you can now do another smart bin. Let's see, this is now going to be called Not Used. And this time we do the opposite. So Media Pool Properties, change the usage, which is down here, and set it to Is 0, so not being used. Hit Create, and now we have two smart bins. And all the clips in here are all the clips that are not currently being used on the timeline. And if we click on the one that's saying used, then of course these are the ones are being used. And of course, once you drag the bins, or once you drag the clips on the not used and bring them onto your video, then of course it's going to automatically be moved into your smart bin. So this is a very good way if you want to make sure you use every single one of your shots, or you want to see what you've got left. Hope this video is useful, guys, and of course it is. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel to help this channel grow. Take care and see you soon.